What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm here to do another full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance. This time it is on, once again, my Hoover Elite 350. This is one of my custom Elite 350s that I got from a trip to Austin, Texas. The outer bag had a very bad gash in it that rendered it unusable, so I converted it to side zip bag. But this is the only style of outer bag I could get that was more agreeable to the color scheme. As you said, it says Elite Soft and Light instead of like Elite 350, like down on the hood. So I thought I'd go ahead and throw this in the mix with, as usual, in a different configuration than I normally do if it were to come all factory. I'm running the Cleveland Wood Products replacement brush roll that you can get for these Elites these days. I find that they work best if you at least have the 3-bar sole plate, but they will fit in these ones with the 1-bar sole plate. It's just you'll have to deal without these. Not too sure how different these will make in terms of carpet lines, but this should be interesting to test out. Also, this particular example has the 5-amp motor, but the fan in this, I would like to mention, is actually the replacement 7-bladed fan. So unfortunately, it's not the 9-blade, so that shouldn't be too different as far as airflow is concerned. But let's go ahead and get started with full house cleaning. Yeah, the cat's already thinking, oh great, not this again. But I've already got a fresh new HEPA Type A bag installed. And with that said, let's get started. right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at carpet lines. Seems to groom very good. You almost could barely tell that this is a different style brush roll. Mainly, I think it's the bottom plate that helps it to give those almost perfect, almost single bar base plate lines with the full length of bristles all the way across. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, and just like that, full house cleaning is all complete. I really do like the way this CWP brush roll grooms. The bristles are pretty soft but fairly dense. So I'm really eager to see how this differs in cleaning performance compared to the genuine roller. So let's see what we picked up here. As you can see, there's definitely a lot of fibrous material from the downstairs rug, per usual. A little bit of fine dust here and there. Some pet hair along the way. But it's decent. I'm not going to say it's the best. I have seen a little bit better of results than compared to what I would have done it with the genuine brush roll. But also keep in mind, this is a 7-bladed fan, and normally these 5-amp motors came with a 9-bladed fan. So that could be one reason why it did that. But other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning of the Hoover Elite 350. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.